My name is James Cook. I'm from Kinistino, Saskatchewan. I am an agriculture machinery technician working in a shop. I run more of the shop now with keeping all the quality control and dispatching our guys out to repair machines in the busy seasons, and then just running all the checkovers and making sure that everything is done properly and efficiently. I had a friend of mine who in the last 20 years has done PDR, and it's always really enthralled me just watching him do stuff. And at the age of 37 he got cancer and passed away, and he left a wife and a couple little kids, but I just always watched that and really was interested. And in the last 10 years I've always wanted to go do that, but you'd look at a course and it's like, man, it's a lot of money. And I just got to the place where it's like, I want to do this because I think it's something that I can do on the side to get going, and then to really get something that later on in life, you get a little bit older, that you can still step into and work this job for part-time or full-time, or whatever I choose to do. Give Dom some calls and had an interesting conversation with him. He kind of got me really excited about PDR, and his pricing was I thought good, and his course content looked good. And you know, I didn't really know what I was getting into. I was apprehensive coming into the classroom even, and seeing the different things we had to do. But as soon as we got here, Dom made it very, and all the boys, they made it very, it's very low key, low pressure, and helped a lot through the process, just pushing you and trying to get you to do things that you're missing out on. And really, I guess I'm getting off the question here a little bit, but really just, I just always have wanted to do this, and I'm kind of pumped to go out and give it a go now. Just all the little techniques that they've showed us, you can look at and watch it, but to put your hands on tools and actually do the tools, and visually see what you're really doing, not just guessing on stuff, but I've really learned to, like with your tools, to find your tip in the metal, to see where you're pushing, and not just playing around where you're like, oh, it's coming up kind of, but it's not, I'm not pushing in the right place, and you're guessing and you're not doing the right thing, you're making mistakes all the time. And so really learn to do that, and he's helping us. I guess, I know we're rookies and trying to learn this, but to do it with speed and accuracy. And I can see that just listening to what they're doing as you keep doing. Every day you come back, you're just, wow, I'm increasing in what I'm doing better every day. Coming here and doing this now, I felt like the content and the training is really good. I found that like you can just you're getting all the things you need and not being under pressure. It made it a good learning environment to get going and feel like I want to do this, and I've enjoyed it. Like when you're talking with Dominic all the time, by the time you're done at the end of the day, you want to go home and I want to go push dents. And he's a good mentor, I guess, and yeah, I've appreciated all the help he's given us.